In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a vintage retro film look to your video in Canva. This effect is perfect if you want your video to feel nostalgic, like an old home movie or classic film reel. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along inside Canva, even if you're a complete beginner. First, open your video design in Canva. Make sure your video is already on the canvas and size the way you want, because we're going to be adding the vintage look on top of it. Once your video is ready, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on the Elements tab. This is where Canva stores graphics, overlays, shapes, and effects that we can layer onto our video. With Elements open, use the search bar at the top and type something like Vintage Film Overlay or Vintage Film Look. Canva often has a specific option labeled Vintage Film Overlook or something very similar. You're looking for an overlay graphic that includes grain, dust, light leaks, or those classic film frame edges. This overlay is what will give your video that old school retro feel without needing any complicated editing software. Once you see the vintage film overlay you like, click on it to add it to your canvas. It will appear on top of your video. Drag the corners of the overlay to resize it so it fully covers your video frame. If your video is vertical or a different aspect ratio, just stretch the overlay to match the size of your project. The key here is to make sure there are no gaps, so the effect is consistent across the entire video. Now that the overlay is in place, it probably looks a bit too strong or maybe even harsh. To fix that, we're going to reduce the transparency. With the overlay selected, look at the top toolbar and find the transparency option. It usually looks like a little checkered icon. Click that, then slowly drag the slider down until the effect feels subtle and natural. A good starting point is somewhere around the middle range, then adjust based on your video. You still want to see the film grain, scratches, or edges, but your original footage should remain clearly visible. Feel free to play around here. Slightly lower transparency for a softer, more modern touch, or higher transparency for a bolder, heavily retro look. When you're happy with the result, you're done. You've successfully added a vintage retro film look to your video in Canva.